Kano state government recently played host to the MD-CEO of the Bank of Industry, Mr. Rashid Olaoluwa, and his team, during a ceremony that marks the beginning of a business relationship aimed at improving the state's economy.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Kano State,
MD CEO
The commissioning of the Kano branch of BOI exemplifies the bank's resolve to foster economic development across the country, supported by the state government's commitment of 250 million naira from its coffers. The state's tranche of contribution from the 2 billion naira Memorandum of Understanding signed in 2013 for the setup of micro, small and medium enterprise.
BOI's partnership with Kano State transcends financial intervention. In consonance with our mission statement of transforming Nigeria's industrial sector by providing financial and business support services to enterprises, accredited 122 business development service providers nationwide in November 2014. Out of this number, 28 have a national coverage, while 14 specifically cover the northwestern region. The BDSPs are to assist entrepreneurs package bankable loan proposals that have a high probability of loan approval, as well as provide post-finance services such as capacity building, hand-holding, and mentorship for the entrepreneurs, with the objective of ensuring sustainable growth of their businesses.
Mr. Olaoluwa also announced BOI's plans to provide working capital for SMEs at an affordable rate.
The bank is currently partnering with 10 SME-friendly banks to provide working capital for BOI customers at a negotiated interest rate of monetary policy MPR rate plus 6% per annum. At the current MPR rate of 13%, the applicable interest rate is 19% per annum.
Already, 311 loan applications amounting to 3.58 billion naira has been submitted to the Kano State Ministry of Commerce and Industry, all of which are currently being attended to. Meanwhile, Kano State Governor, who was represented by his deputy, Professor Hafiz Abubakar, pledges to continue to support the Bank of Industry's developmental plans in the state.
Our resolve for wealth creation, employment generation, and enhancement of our revenue drive had become our focus since we came on board in 2011. It is in that regard, therefore, the search for viable options was extended to consider a proposal that will facilitate the economic improvement of our people through a program that seeks to promote small and medium enterprises. Indeed, commerce and production are key areas of comparative advantage in Kano State. As such, they should be given the needed deserving attention. It is on this note that the state government executed an MOU with the Bank of Industry in June 2013 to support the development and growth of micro, small and medium enterprises in the state. The sum of 2 billion be jointly contributed, that's 1 billion each by the state government and the Bank of Industry, in order to provide soft loans to small, micro and medium scale industries in the state.
Some beneficiaries in attendance praised the initiative of the bank, even as they state their concerns.
We took just very little, about 4 million naira. We paid them about 2.5 million naira. Then we entered into a distress. We went back to them, we explained, we wrote to them. These people wonderfully understood us. They restructured the facility and added something to us again. You see how lovely, these people are. Believe you me, so please look at them. They are very good people. They are very good people.
BOI really did a very good job in screening and disbursement of the fund. However, there are some challenges and few issues to address. A holistic approach to the revival of textile industry and other industries has to be looked. 1. 2. The northern state of the country is now in a special crisis, I will call it, or economic crisis, apart from just concluded the peace, what do we call it, insecurity of this country. But now, when we had a textile intervention fund, we now need poverty intervention fund.
After all is said and done, the state government promised to address all concerns raised, but advised the business community in the state to take advantage of the BOI funds.